students. Our today's topic is electric potential energy or electrostatic potential energy. And what is the definition of electric potential energy? It is the amount of work done in moving different charges to their respective positions from infinite mutual separations. If you suppose that your charges are at infinite distance from each other and you bring them to their respective positions, so whatever is the amount of work done, that is equal to electric potential energy. So to derive a relation for electric potential energy for a system of 2-point charges, you just concentrate on this diagram. Here I have taken two charges. First is Q1 having position R1 at A and charge Q2 lies at B having position vector R2. So these are their respective positions. First of all, in order to calculate their electric potential energy, first of all, suppose that Q1 and Q2 are not here. They are infinite away from each other. First of all, I will bring charge Q1 to point A, then I will bring Q2 to point B. And whatever is the amount of work done, whatever is the total work done, that is equal to electric potential energy. So first of all, let us suppose that charge Q1 and Q2 are not at their positions A and B. First of all, I have to bring Q1 from infinity to point A. So as there is only one charge Q1 that I am bringing here, there is no other charge Q2 here. So no repulsion or attraction is there. So no work is done in bringing the charge Q1 from infinity to point A. As there is only Q1 that I am bringing from infinity to point A, so work done in bringing charge Q1 from infinity to point A is 0. Now I have to bring charge Q2 from infinity to point B. Then Q1 is now present over here. Then this Q1 does not allow Q2 to reach at point B, or I can simply say that it will exert force on this. So to bring charge Q2, work done to move charge Q2 from infinity to point B, I have denoted this work by W2. I am bringing charge Q2. So charge Q2 and potential of Q1 at B is V1. We know that work done is charge into potential. Charge is Q2 and potential of Q1 is V1. So Q2 is here. For potential it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by distance between the two is R12. So Q1 by R12. So this will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. So total work done is W1 plus W2. So the sum is this, and this work done is stored as its electric potential energy or electrostatic potential energy. Now if instead of two charges there are three charges, then for a system of 3-point charges, first of all, these are the three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3. Let us suppose, first of all, I will bring Q1 here as no Q2 or Q3 is there. So Q1, in order to bring Q1, there will be no work done. So I have written that work done to move charge Q1 from infinity to its position is W1, that is 0. Now I have to bring Q2, then work done, charge we are bringing is Q2 and potential of Q1 is there, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. The distance between Q1 and Q2 is R12, so over R12. So this is the work done. Now I have to bring third charge. Now to bring third charge at its respective position, Q1 and Q2 will also be there. As Q1 and Q2 are present, so I have to consider both the charges. So work done to bring charge Q3 from infinity to their position, so Q3 into potential of Q1 plus Q3 into potential of Q2. You have to consider the potential of both. So for potential of 1, it is Q1 by potential of Q1 at this site the distance is r1c, so q1 upon r13. Now q3 into v2, v2 is the potential of q2, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 into the distance between them is r23. So total work done W3 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q3 by r13 and q2 q3 by r23. So calculating total work done, you just add. So W1 is 0, this is W1 and these are W2. So adding these two, taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r12 q1 q3 by r13, it is r13, and q2 q3 by r23, you just make it 13 r13. So this is the electrostatic potential energy due to a system of three charges. You can generalize this article for a system of n articles, and that article is also very important as per your final exam, as your final exams are concerned. So thank you for today.